Now let's welcome Kim Godfrey, and Kim Godfrey give us the corporate training for ACE 1.0.
Thank you very much. So yes, we're here to talk about communication and how you can build your brand and your business. And by business, I mean the business of you, the business you're in, ACE control, anything associated with you. And they're building up an image of you as a person. So things like, are you trustworthy? Are you reliable? Are you an interesting guy? And I can say guy in this room, can't I, really happily? They're building up this picture of you and what you do and how you interact with the world. Now, looking and listening, as we mentioned, was about looking at people to gather information about where they're at. So for you, what you're trying to work out is, are people with me on whatever I'm talking about? Are they with me? Are they engaged or not? And that you want to make those adjustments, as I mentioned, if you're getting reactions that you're not expecting. So that's why you're collecting the information to see how successful you are with your communication. And you're watching for their strong listening behaviour, looking for different tone, their feedback, eye contact, but bearing in mind, like I said before, that we can feign some of those things and look like we're with people, but maybe mentally we're not. So even that you might be on the watch out for. Facial expression, head nodding, and then the interaction that you're getting. But very important to assess that level of engagement and make adjustments if need be. But what I'd like to do now is just an activity. I'm going to get you to, in pairs, I want you to give your partner some demographic information about you. And it could be where you were born, if you want to give your age, or the year you were born, where you went to school, where you grew up. I just want quite a list of demographic information, and your partner's job is to listen and then feedback what they've heard. So you'll want to switch on, don't make it too hard for them, that's not the aim of it, but give a reasonable amount of demographic information, and their job is to listen, and then you can turn it around and have a little discussion about that. So
Okay, that's good.
Like, I know we like to use emails, like if you need to take a snippet of the screen, or you need to have stuff written down.
But if it's difficult stuff, you can bulletise it, and you can actually break it down and tackle each one.
Yeah.
But in conversation, I don't even know what you just said.
It's hard.
what about if you had conflict?
Yeah.
Well, there's plenty of things we didn't cover today, but you're bringing up these different factors.
What conflict? Well, you shouldn't have.
But what you shouldn't have, well, it's life actually.
Just make it all capitals.
And I'll get the message. Well, shall we let Richard take the floor? Richard's greatest communication tips.
Can I email?
I hope everyone has received what you like to receive, and take away something useful for today's corporate communication training. Fortunately, Kim didn't bring Easter lolly and the Easter eggs this time, but I'm sure she will next time. But we are looking forward to the corporate communication 2.0 sometimes down the track. So if you have any suggestions, feedbacks, let myself know. And with this, I'll conclude today's training course. And I'll thank you, Kim, again for your dedication, for your hard working. for your well-dressed, presented, you know, trainer.
I passed, did I?
Yeah, and then and you handled really well. So, so congratulations, team, and I wish your business to grow as it should be. And you know, thanks for your help on behalf of ACE.
Thank you very much. It's a delight.